Hello everyone. So today is 14th of July and let's discuss what we have discussed last time and yesterday and what we are expecting next. So yesterday's video I clearly said that market would consolidate first before giving a move, and you see the Nifty was consolidating within this range and finally it gave this up move, okay? And for Bank Nifty, yes, it did go down, but that was also captured by the money flow analysis. That is here, if you see here, that is Bank Nifty scored, that is the money flow went heavily negative, okay, and then it came down. But notice one thing, that is after that, from here onwards, like 11, after 11 p.m. the score increased, okay, but Bank Nifty was still going down and the score increased and concentrated on this zero interval. But you see that Bank Nifty 2 p.m. it went further down and so on, okay, till 245. But you see the score did not fall, and so the gap was created and gap got fulfilled. I mean, Bank Nifty went up. And yes, talking about Nifty as well, so if you see Nifty's money flow, so the red one is the, so Nifty money flow came down, but after as you can see here, after 10 a.m. it started recovering, okay, and you see there was a huge recovery in the money flow, but you see Nifty did not increase that much, so there was a gap which was created again, and finally Nifty went up. So the gap is always I mean filled up, okay. So always don't mean in stock market, always means if it is working more than 90% of the time, it's always okay. So don't think 100% of the times, yet sometimes it might not work. There is nothing in the stock market which can work 100% of the times, but yes, with high accuracy I've been showing you over the past days that yes, money flow actually works, okay, when you have tracked the big guys in the futures, options, and as well as cash segment, then you are the king. And yes, now talking about our analysis today. So I mean today also here we bought at 1336, okay, we bought 19,500 CE at 78. So I have been kept on coming to the analysis. I have been like telling you that wait for the trap, okay. So like retail traders will take the trade, big guys will take the trade, everyone will take the trade, and there will be a trap, okay. There will be a heavier side or the winning side. You have to identify that, okay. Once you identify the winning side and the trap, then you can go and take even a one trade, and that will give you 100, like you can go with high accuracy, and that can be profitable with high probability, okay. So I'm not lying or anything. These messages are not edited or anything. This is the same group has also not changed, okay. So I've been showing you that wait for the actual move, okay, and take the trade, and you can go with like near to I'm going with 100% accuracy over the past weeks. So I have been kept on showing you these things, and nothing is also deleted here. So all those members, if I do that, they would lose faith in me, okay. So I would never do that. Nothing is deleted, and nothing, and the messages are not edited, and there is a time stamp as well, okay. So I am also, and also most of the reversals we are catching, okay. So if I can do that, you can also do that. So you can catch the reversals. Even today I will also show you. If you don't believe that I am catching the reversals, so just go and check these videos in the past week, okay. So yes, and not only that, I have given live proof on Twitter also. Just go and check my Twitter post, earlier Twitter post this week. And yes, so now today also I have we have got long from that last bottom which was made. So 1336, there the last bottom was being made. So let's come. So as you can see, this is 14 July 1336 time. So 1336, if you come here, so this is the first candle. So first you see it went down, okay. So you could see the down week. So yes, we like this was the bottom. Okay, so that's like, I mean, you see that like 1336, that's where exactly Nifty made the last bottom, and there we made our long positions. Okay, so it's not any coincidence or not any magic or something. It's like pure data analysis. Okay, so this is not only like I am showing you today, this is the nth time I am showing you. You can go and check the videos as well. And yes, even I've shown you this week on Twitter also, the post that I have given on the FinNifty expiry day. So there also we shorted from the exact top. This FinNifty expiry I'm talking about, just go and check the Twitter. Those who are new, don't believe these things. You can say everything is fake, fine. Twitter is not fake. The post, the timing of the post, everything is there. Just go and check the heavy fall that came in FinNifty. We shorted from the almost top. And yes, now talking about yes, so you see that 1336 we took at 78, and then also we did put trading at 19,400 at 51. And then as you can see, the trade was taken at 1336 and 1343. So you could very well see like not even 10 minutes. So okay, so if you just take it at the right time, you I mean, just within span of 7 minutes I got my profits. It was a 27%, like the price went up to 98. Okay, and that was enough for me. I think it should be enough for every option buyer as well. Don't be too much greedy. And yes, I got my profit, I got out, but yes, kept on this put trading position, and also later on closed it at a nice decent profit. And finally we also took call writing positions as well as put writing positions as the FIIs were doing. Okay, so this is during the day, so I'll also show you with proof that the FIIs, the end of the day data will also tell that the FIIs were doing the same what I was doing. Okay, so you have to track the big guys. Okay, so now coming to the end of the day data. So end of the day data, if you can see here, that is the FIIs, they have taken equal amount of put writing and call writing positions today. And they haven't like I mean, they have hedged their call writing positions by call buying, but they haven't bought any puts today yet. So that's I mean, that's how they have taken their trades. So I think they are confident with their put trading positions. And so the main thing is that they have taken an equal amount of position on both the sides, and that's what we have also done. And as our positional. Okay, so now talking about the next thing, that is the prop decks. So there is something which is very very important regarding the prop decks. So the prop decks, they haven't done any put writing. Okay, so if you see here the their data yesterday, the put writing data, so they haven't done any put writing. Some put writing positions they have closed, but they have heavily done call writing. Okay, so that's why when this rise came, if you look at when we call shorted, so we call shorted at here 1507 and then 1510. So when the market gave a rise, okay, so we call shorted there. So the reason was that yes, call writing was happening at that time. And also at the last moment, these FIIs suddenly took some put writing positions. They increased their put writing positions, I think, then. Okay, so that's why I also went at the last moment with some put writing. And not only that, in cash segment also with volume buying was going on. So that's why like I always track them, and so whatever they were doing I was also doing. And but there is something to note here, that the prop decks, they have bought puts. So now the question is, who will win? Either the prop decks will win, or will FIIs close and then they will take the market, both will take the market down. So that's the question. And I'll also say where they have done these put buying. They have taken call buying positions to hedge their positions of call writing. And talking about futures, So futures long positions have been it's almost the same. Okay, some positions have been closed. Futures short positions they have also been closed, but prop decks, they have decreased the futures long positions and increased the futures short positions. Okay, so prop decks in futures, they are looking bearish, and FIIs, they are in the futures, they are looking bullish. Okay, so overall futures data, still again we shouldn't be deciding only on the futures data, because futures data is not playing a very huge role these days. So option chain is playing the major role. So option chain, talking about option chain, again you can see that both the side positions are there for the FIIs. And so what I think is, yes, one more thing is that where these put buying, so where have they bought puts, these prop decks? Okay, so they have majorly bought puts in Bank Nifty, not in Nifty. So if you see Nifty, Bank Nifty falling the next day, so don't be very surprised. Okay, but the thing is that at the end some buying has been done, so I think some further rise and then there will be a trap and then market will be taken down. But again, I'm not saying a crash or anything. Okay, but I'm just saying some intraday move. Okay, so up move and then there will be some trap and then things might come down, because yes, this cash buying has happened, so there might be a chance, like whenever this last moment such huge cash buying happens, usually we see a gap up or some up move the next day. But be assured that I have tracked both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So these put buying by the prop decks that have been done by especially in Bank Nifty. Okay, and but here for the FIIs, they haven't done any put buying. Okay, so overall data is suggesting that if you just don't consider the put buying, then it's like again both the side moves can come. And if because both the side positions have been taken, put writing as well as call writing. Okay, and if you consider this put buying, then you have to be very careful. You have to notice whether these put buyings are being converted into put writing, or like what if, suppose if they have, let's say that the prop decks, okay, they have bought puts at 44,600. So if they fail to take the market down, then what they will do is they will take put writing positions further up, like at 44,800, 45,000 and above, and then they will use those positions as hedging positions and take the market further up. So here anything can happen. Okay, because if, why am I saying anything? Because if the FIIs were also on the same side, then yes, it would have been fine, but the FIIs have done put writing, and that too without hedging. But the prop decks, they haven't done any put writing, but they have done put buying. Okay, so there will be some clash. So we have to during that clash we have to identify who is doing what, and that will give us the direction, on the perfect direction on Monday. Okay, so till then this is all the details and the analysis. FIs have bought today again for 2,636 crores, and advances again it's flat, declines are also flat today. And yes, so again, if you are new here, and I mean, you can follow me on Twitter, and if you want such analysis, then you can be a part of the derivatives indicator family, and you will also get access to these money flow indicators as well. And yeah, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and please do share my analysis among the other traders if my analysis are helping you. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.